Calculation of your arithmetic mean when individual series is given. So first of all, have to know that the given series is the individual series. So this is how your question will be given to you. Only the X series will be given. So as only one series is given, that series is called as the individual series. So when individual series is given to calculate your arithmetic mean, you can calculate that in two methods. One is the direct method and the other one is the shortcut method, or the shortcut method it is also called as the assumed mean method. So in direct method, to calculate your arithmetic mean, your formula is x bar is equal to summation of x divided by n, where summation of x means nothing but you have to add all the items that they have given in your x series. N means nothing but the number of items which they have given, or number of observations you can call it as. So here x bar is equal to summation of x. By adding all the items, you got x summation of x as 825, and your n means the number of items 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So as the number of items are 10, you are going to substitute n is equal to 10. So x bar is equal to, you got the answer as 82.5. Now coming back to your shortcut method or assumed mean method. So as the name itself, it is saying that the assumed mean, you have to assume some number here. So here your formula is summation x bar is equal to a plus summation of d divided by n, where a is nothing but the assumed mean and n means nothing but the number of items which they have given you. So here d is equal to x minus a is your formula. A means the assumed mean. So you can assume whatever the number you wanted to assume. Observe your series, see the smallest number which they have given. So after seeing the smallest number, this is your x series, the smallest number is 10. So if you take your assumed mean as the smallest number, you'll be getting your d series everything in the positive values. So if you observe here, 60 is your x and your assumed mean is 10. So 60 minus 10 will give you the answer 50. 80 minus 10 will give you the answer 70. 10 minus 10 it is 0, 75 minus 10 is 65, and here the x value is 150, 150 minus your assumed mean is 10. So you'll get the answer as 140, 140 minus 10 it is 130, 75 minus 10 it is 65, 45 minus 10 it is 35, 100 minus 10 it is 90, and 90 minus 10 it will be 80. So from the formula you want a summation of d. So summation of d is nothing but 725. Adding all the items of the d, you got the answer as 725. So coming back to your formula, you have to substitute all the things that we have found out. So x bar is equal to, you have taken your assumed mean as 10. So 10 plus your summation of d is 725. So 725 divided by your n means the number of items which they have given you, that is 10. So 725 divided by 10, you will get the answer as 72.5. So as you have to add 10 here, your x bar means your arithmetic mean value will be 82.5. So either it is a direct method or the shortcut method, you are going to get the same answer.